System errors causing the Dotnetzip native image DLL crashes in Dotnetzip, native image, Ngen. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. For professional-grade Dotnetzip native image maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Dotnetzip native image, a native image, NI, optimized version of the Dotnetzip library, pre-compiled for the local CPU. It manages localized zip extraction for .NET applications. If missing or the Ngen cache is broken, mod managers and auto-updaters will report zip archive could not be opened or extraction module load failure. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. This issue indicates a structural problem within Dotnetzip. Native image/Ngen is installation. Reinstall the latest version of Dotnetzip, native image/Ngen, from the official site to restore Dotnetzip native image DLL safely and ensure all registry links are updated. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Dotnetzip native image message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like Dotnetzip native image DLL. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to Dotnetzip native image. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Dotnetzip native image today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.